Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how the Gemini LED works on your Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So, there's a new thing on the Pixel 11 Pro XL. It's called HiLight, and it's essentially a small RGB LED light right at the back here, built into the camera bar around the flash. Now, Google designed it to provide you information without requiring you to look at the screen. So we're going to go to settings. In the settings, we want to swipe down and go to system. And once we are in the system, you should see the interaction section and go to highlight. Now, as you guys can see, here we want to enable the highlight. And now, use highlight with caution if you're light sensitive. If you have flash notifications turned on, you won't see highlight for incoming calls. So, these are some important facts. Now, as you guys can see, speaking with Gemini, we want to enable it, and also you can enable calls from favorites. Basically, the LED will provide the visual feedback like listening. It will indicate that Gemini has heard you and is listening to us. Also, there's thinking and processing. So LED will change and pulse while Gemini processes the request. There's also responding, and there will be another light pattern that will basically indicate that your Gemini is working on an answer. And it can also work while the phone is laying face down, so we don't have to pick it up. So what we can do, we can just say, "Hey Google." We can try and get it over. Also, we can just enable it right here. So let's just say, "Hey Google," and if that doesn't work, we can also press the button while the phone is face down. So we're gonna press and hold it. Gemini is enabled, and as you guys can see, this is our light right here. So it is working. I just have to put it like this. How can I help? And you can see that there are some different colors on the highlight on the Pixel. So I'm not really sure why there's no light, but maybe because the phone started to turn off. Now we have the light.
Check the battery charge and clear out any recent apps.
And it's talking with complete nonsense because I'm just talking to you guys. But the feature definitely works, and you guys can see how the highlight LED provides some visual feedback. So that's how you guys can easily use it, and that's how it works. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.